Theorem 38. The opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. This is the cyclic quadrilateral. What is the meaning of cyclic quadrilateral? The vertices of quadrilateral will lie on circle. What we need to prove? We need to prove opposite angle. This sum of these two will be supplementary. That means 180. This plus this 180. Second thing, this angle plus this angle equals to 180. Now, how to prove? So we join this and this to prove this and this plus this equal to supplement. Now, consider this as an arc. On this arc, we have center angle this and circumference angle this. What is the relation between this and this? So this angle is double of this. So we can assume this be x. So then this will be half of x. So don't go in this one. So we can write this is half of this. Okay. Illustration. Similarly, consider this arc. On this arc, this is the angle at the center, and this arc will be mentioned as reflex because it is, if this be angle, then it will be automatically more than 180. So this is the reflex angle at the center and this is the circumference angle. So this angle will be double of this. That means this angle is half of this. We have written over here. Okay, this angle is half of this here. In second case, on this arc, this is center angle and this is angle at the circumference. Therefore, this angle is half of this reflex angle. Now, adding these two are added. Then half of this and half of this will be added here. So, this and this both are making a complete angle. This angle and reflex angle of this. So, this will be 360 degree. So this together will give you 360 degree, and half is there, that will after cancellation 180 degree. That means this angle and this angle, the sum is 180 degree. Therefore this two angle is supplementary. Similarly, we can prove this angle and this angle equals to 180 by joining this and this. So here this angle will be this angle is double of this. That means this angle is half of this. Similarly, this reflex angle is double of this. That means this angle is half of this, and so on. We can get 180 degree. So this is the illustration, simple theorem, but it is a very important theorem.